Welcome back to Dickin' Around Outdoors. Now, if you're familiar with the YouTube site Cast Iron Wednesday, it's a neat idea where once a month people are given a theme for a recipe and they do their best. And at the end of the month, there's an aggregation of all the videos and all the folks that have done the recipe theme, and they sort of put it out there for everybody to check out. It's kind of a neat deal, and the people are really nice. Well, this month's theme is meatless cast iron recipes. So we're going to make 3-bean, well, we got some neighbors today. So today we're going to whip up 3-bean sloppy joes. We're going to do it in a Lodge Dutch oven, and we've got our fire going. We're using today a Fireside Outdoors Trailblazer fire pit and the Lodge tripod. And we're going to make some 3-bean sloppy joes. So let's head on over to the table and we'll mix up our ingredients. Okay, let's get the pot ready to get over the fire. First thing we're going to do for our Lodge 10-inch deep Dutch oven is we're going to give it a quick spray of cooking oil, Pam in this case. And then into the pot goes 1 can of kidney beans, and all the beans are drained. 1 can of white beans, we're using Great Northern today, and a can of pink beans. Also into the pot goes 1 can of tomato sauce. And all these ingredients will be listed down below, so you don't have to worry about trying to remember. Onion and garlic, some green pepper, and this green pepper is actually rehydrated from some of the peppers that we dehydrated in our dehydrator video. If you want to check that out, it's above. And last to go into the pot is our secret sauce, and the ingredients for the secret sauce will be listed below. So let's just get this stirred up and we'll get it hung over the fire. We've got the pot hung on the fire. We're just going to go ahead and let that simmer for 30 minutes, maybe 45. Everything in the recipe is already cooked, so we're not cooking anything. We're just getting it nice and warm and letting the flavors meld together. And we will give it a stir every now and then. So we'll be back when that is ready to go. The sloppy joes went 30 minutes with the lid on. We've now taken the lid off just to let it thicken up a bit. And as you can see, we've got a perfect little simmer going here. So we're just going to let that thicken up for about 10 minutes, and then we're ready to eat. We've gone a total of 40 minutes. The last 10 minutes, the top was off, and I think we've got a perfect consistency. We're going to go ahead and throw in a fair bit of green onion and about a teaspoon of hot sauce. Today we're going to use Burn Organic fermented hot sauce. It's a little bit different. I like it. It's not quite as potent as some others. We're just going to give that a stir, let it cool down just a little bit, and then we're going to dish it up and see how it tastes. We have scooped this up. It smells phenomenal. It's sloppy, like a sloppy joe should be. We've put a little cheddar cheese on top. Now let's see how this tastes. This is very good. Very sloppy, so apologies if I'm smeared with it. Now this has good bite. The beans are nice and firm. They're not mushy at all. They give it a great mouthfeel and a good texture. It's got the classic sloppy joe flavor profile. The cheese makes it good. I think if you are not a big eater of beans, this is a great gateway recipe to start eating more of them. It is really tasty, and I do think that it's probably healthier than the standard sloppy joes, so your doctor will thank you. But overall, I don't think you're giving up anything by substituting the beans for the hamburger. In fact, I think it's a nice addition to the menu. So overall, I think these are great. I think if I were to give any criticism, it would be that I picked the wrong bun. go with your standard white hamburger bun and let the beans and the Sloppy Joe flavor shine through. You don't need a fancy bun for these. So, as always, to our subscribers, thanks very much. We do appreciate it, and we're glad you're joining us. If you haven't subscribed, please take a moment to hit the button in the lower right-hand corner. If you like the content, share it with your friends, and do hit the notification button to make sure you don't miss any of our great content. So take care, and we'll see you outdoors. I'm going to dig in.